In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on a Google Pixel 3. By following these steps, you'll be able to capture and share your screen content effortlessly. Begin by navigating to the screen you want to capture on your Pixel 3. Make sure that all important content is visible and properly arranged. It is advisable to close any unnecessary apps or notifications to avoid distractions in the screenshot. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the content ensures that you achieve a clean and complete capture. A thorough check of the screen before proceeding helps prevent multiple attempts and saves time. Next, to capture the screenshot, press the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. Hold these buttons for about 1 second. You will notice a quick animation on the screen and a shutter sound will confirm that the screenshot has been taken. Be careful not to release the buttons too quickly, as this may result in an unsuccessful capture. The screenshot will be saved automatically in the Photos app, allowing for, after capturing the screenshot, open the Photos app to find your image. Look for the screenshots folder where your screenshot will be stored. Once you locate the screenshot, you can edit, crop, or annotate the image if necessary. This ensures that the screenshot meets your requirements before sharing. To share the screenshot, tap on the share button within the Photos app. This will allow you to send it via email, messaging apps, or cloud storage services. Before sending, double check the screenshot to confirm that it captures all the necessary information. Screenshots can serve various purposes such as documentation or personal reference, making them a useful tool. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.